Hey guys, good morning. So I can't really, make videos like I used to with just this screen, so I have to do the green screen so I don't get banned, right? Because I used to be at 70,000 followers and then I made just this screen and talk over it, and TikTok banned me for whatever reason. I don't know why. So what happened last time is every single time we had an 8-hour trigger on the SPX, again, we're hitting top of channel, right? Very, very, very easy TA. This isn't even TA. It's more of just like a trend follow through, right? Every time we close a red bubble, right, my triggers, right, we essentially drop 10 points from the high every single time on the 8-hour. I'm expecting the exact same thing. We kind of peaked around 520. I'm looking for a drop to around maybe 510, 507, somewhere around this area, right? And then possibly from here, you can either bounce, basically shoot up, or keep going and dropping a lot lower. But I am expecting us to drop all the way down back to 510, 507 area roughly on the SPX. Again, this is on the 8-hour. You can see down here, 8-hour, it's not, green screen's not working, but SPX chart 8-hour, right? Every single time, this, again, my indicators, right? These are custom indicators that I built, right? If you want them, you can join the Patreon, patreon.com/, but I'm not a trader. But again, every single time they closed, you drop solid 10 points every single time. I'm expecting no different this time, right? I'm expecting nothing different. So there you go. Or if you want to be a bit more like safe, you can run them to order blocks, right? So you can probably run it, you can probably short this to like 512.5, maybe like a 507.5, and then your last order block here at like 502.5 or something. But yeah, this is the only way that I can make videos, or else I'm gonna get banned, bro. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting for the next couple days. A drop to 510, 507.5 on the SPX. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.